Here we have a Vectrax 7" by 12" horizontal bandsaw. Does have some minor shipping distress, and the coolant pump is non-operational, but the saw itself operates quite well. What I'm going to do is turn it on here. Yeah, the motor vibrates a little bit. It could be just an adjustment on the motor here. There's a hydraulic down feed. His head goes down, hits the switch here, turns the machine off. Overall, it's in really good condition, except for we got like a hairline crack, or I'm not sure if it's a crack or if it's just it just cracked the paint right here. It took a little bit of a hit. Doesn't seem like the casting is broken at all, but you can see it right here. I think it's pretty much just a paint crack, but we took it apart. I didn't see any crack on the inside here, but in any case, also the coolant pump doesn't appear to be operational, and it's got a small dent in the tank, just a dent. It didn't perforate it at all. All the other functions appear to operate pretty well. Got a quick price here. It includes your material stock here. Got your owner's and parts manual. It also comes with 4 casters and 2 axles, and the hardware to put that together. And there's your hydraulic down feed. And we thank you for looking at our product.